VkidsTV. Hey little ones, today let's see basic addition.
Hey kids, I am Mr. Plus. Can you figure out with me how many rabbits are there? Okay, let's do it with addition. Kids, this is plus symbol. Here, let's see how many rabbits are there. 1, 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Yes, 2 rabbits. Now, we have 2 rabbits. Let's add another rabbit. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Yes, 3 rabbits. Now, we have 3 rabbits. Let's add another rabbit. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Yes, 4 rabbits. Now, we have 4 rabbits. Let's add another rabbit. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Yes, 5 rabbits. Kids, can you figure out 5 plus 1 equals? Yes, it's 6.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.